and gentlemen, may I have your attention? I want to introduce to you, here in this corner, for the good and the right, stands the champion robed in white. His height exceeds the heavens, his weight outweighs the world. His reach reaches everywhere, his age is evermore. He is higher than the highest, greater than the great. No one could ever take his crown away. He is more mighty than the mightiest, he reigns from above. He is the old-time, undisputed, undefeated champion of love. He left his hometown to enter this arena, to raise his hands in victory for me. An angry crowd crucified this king who wore their crown, as they gladly watched the champion go down. Oh, but I will never count him out, 'cause I'm a witness of the day he rose to reclaim the title, the champion of love. He's higher than the highest, greater than the great. No one could ever take his crown away. He's more mighty than the mightiest, he reigns from above. He's higher than the highest, greater than the great. No one could ever take his crown away. He's more mighty than the mightiest, he reigns from above. He's the old-time, undisputed, undefeated champion. The old-time, undisputed, undefeated champion. The old-time, undisputed, undefeated champion.